Good day and welcome to today's class. Today's class is a continuation of our previous classes on applications of surds in solving triangles. In today's class, we shall be solving more exercises on application of surds. Question 2 says we should calculate the length of x and y below. This gives us a quadrilateral, and from all indication, if this angle is 60 degrees, let me name it A, B, C, D, and let this be E. From my observation, triangle ABC can be said to be an equilateral triangle because if the two base angles are 60 degrees, it therefore means that angle A will also be 60 degrees, and that makes them all to become an equilateral triangle. And also in triangle ACD, this is said to be 45 degrees, which makes triangle ACD to become an isosceles triangle, meaning angle X is equal to angle Y. So if we can get angle X or angle Y, then we can get the other. Alright, so let's see how we can get angle X. If you consider triangle AEC, we have it that this is a perpendicular, that means this is 90 degrees. If I should cut AEC out, it gives me something like this. This is AEC, where this is said to be 90 degrees and this is 60 degrees, while AE is said to be 6. So I'm asked to find X, where X is said to be the hypotenuse. Now, with the application of trig ratios, we have it that 6, which is the opposite side to angle 60 degrees, 6 divided by X will be equal to sine 60 degrees, because this is the opposite to the angle and this is the hypotenuse, where opposite, the ratio of opposite to the hypotenuse side is said to be the sine of angle 60 degrees. So I'm going to make X the subject of the formula, where we cross multiply. That gives us X sine 60 degrees. X sine 60 degrees is equal to 6. Dividing both sides by sine 60 degrees to make X the subject of the formula, we have it that X is equal to 6 divided by sine 60 degrees. And from our trig ratios, we already know what sine 60 degree is. So if you go back to where it was derived, we have sine 60 degrees to be said to be equal to root 3 over 2. So this becomes 6 divided by root 3 over 2. And when you simplify further, you have X to be equal to 6 times 2 divided by root 3. And when you simplify this, you have X to be equal to 12 divided by root 3. Rationalizing this by multiplying both the numerator and denominator by root 3, this gives us 12 root 3 divided by 3. And when you simplify, 3 into itself is 1, into 12 is 4, leaving us with X to be equal to 4 root 3. So that means that the value of X is said to be 4 root 3. And if this is said to be 4 root 3, Y is equally said to be 4 root 3, because triangle ACD is said to be an isosceles triangle. So that means we have it that X is equals to Y and is equals to 4 root 3. So they are both 4 root 3.